down and evacuate through the indoor stairs to the parking lot in the front of the
Really?
main entrance.
This
Do
is
not
for
use the
earthquake, I
elevator.
think.
Yeah, but also.
Let's go out.
3階で火災が発生しま
Like
した。落ち着いて屋外階
Okay,
段
let's
か
see.
ら正面玄関前駐車場に避難してください。エレベーターは使用しないでください。There is a fire on the third floor. Come down and evacuate through the indoor stairs to the parking lot in front of the main entrance. Do not use the elevator.
Yes, I do. Let's go.
Everything you have to do.
Is everybody already downstairs?
Really fast, you know.
I see.
People are taking photo, of course. I think.
Yeah, they're taking videos. Come on.
It is too far like that with the elevator. Yeah, just on the.
You did not take on your shoes.
Huh?
You did not take on your shoes.
Shoes?
You.
No.
Slippers only.
Yes?
Eh,
It's finished?
we are locked, no? Look, we burned out. Yeah, let's go. Let's prepare to leave the building.
I hope we are not. Right here?
Right here. Where is your helmet? Everybody is ready. Everybody prepare. Where is your helmet?
Ah! Right, right, right.